we are going to illustrate the doctor finder, the garage finder, and the accident reporter. These are the insurance applications. Let's click the doctor's finder. So this is the first page that you land on, where you can choose your preferred service, either the doctors, hospitals, or health laboratories. And once you select one of these, for instance, let's select doctors, it takes you to another user interface where you get a map of all the doctors. In our case, we've specified dentists. Of course, depending with the insurance, you can have a list of doctors who have specialized in different sectors where your clients can actually pick from. Right, so once you click here to locate the nearest dentist, and there's a button on the top right, let's just click it. You can see that it populates the lower region with the available dentists from the nearest to the farthest, all right, with their phone provider and region and working hours. So this data can actually be modified depending with the data that the insurance provides, all right, and the data that is available to us. And you'll realize that we have selected a couple of dentists outside the buffer area, and of course this can be adjusted, and we have adjusted this for demonstration purposes because of the proximity of the nearest dentist. But of course, in an ideal scenario, then the dentists inside the buffer are the ones that will be listed from the nearest to farthest. So that is the doctor's finder. Let's look at another application, the garage finder. So the garage finder pretty much works the same, and therefore I'm not going to spend so much time on the garage finder. It has the assessors and the garages as the preferred services options. Once you click on garages, for instance, it still loads a map showing the garages. This right here are the garages, and once you click here to locate the nearest garage, it still does the same function as the doctor's finder. Let's finally look at the accident reporter, and this is the quite different application which can be used to report an accident by members of a certain insurance. All right, so you can come to vehicle type and select a vehicle type of your choice, for instance, that has been involved in the accident. Come to the number plates and insert your number plates. The date picks automatically to avoid any kind of mistakes, and then you add a description saying something about the incident. The location again picks automatically to avoid any maybe mistakes or errors. And then you come next, where you can actually either go to the gallery or select the camera, and once you select the camera, you can actually take a photograph, and once you take the photograph, you can say okay, and you can finish. Once you finish, the insurance can get